Dear students, I am Mohammad Shagar Hussain, your course instructor for data communication. I am a lecturer in Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I have completed my bachelor degree from Computer Science and Engineering in Daffodil International University. I have completed my master's degree from Institute Teknologi 10 November, Indonesia with KNB scholarship. Alongside of my educational background, I was a full-time researcher. For fascination of my research, I have published more than 18 conference paper and 2 journal paper as a journal article. My research area is artificial intelligence, computer vision, image processing, human-computer interaction, and computer security. In this course, we will explore data communication vital role in enabling electronic communication across various platforms and technologies. Whether it is communications, computer networking, or radio or satellite communication, understanding how data effectively transmitted and received in crucial in today's digital world. I look forward to guiding you through this fascinating subject and helping you gain the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in data communication. In this course, you will learn about the basic concepts of data communication, the layered architecture of communication protocols, digital signal transmission and encoding techniques, multiplexing techniques, error detection and correction, LAN architecture, and fundamental issues driving network design. Therefore, the course is expected to be beneficial for your higher studies and in future career as well. I wish you all the best in the data communication. So, welcome to data communication. Let's go together.